Good Tuesday morning to you. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich, and this is your outlook for January 20th, 2015. Starting off with today, we have partly cloudy skies. I wouldn't be surprised, according to the NAM and GFS, showing a little bit more cloud cover if that was in fact the case today. So we're sure going to list partly cloudy in the grids here, but if we do end up with more clouds and sun, it's because the NAM and the GFS had the right idea with how today was going to unfold. If that does in fact take place, we will have temperatures a little bit lower than the posted guidance. But we're going to have our Turnerizer, our next system here, which is a clipper system, that's going to move in here for Wednesday here, and I think this comes in later in the day, like mid to late afternoon, maybe early evening for some areas further east. But we'll have some snow move in here. It's going to continue through the overnight hours here, kind of on and off snow showers here that will just be very light snow, and will accumulate little by little through the course of the night and then into Thursday. We're also going to have, here's a look at overnight Wednesday night here, and you're also going to have a piece of upper level energy that's going to have to move through this, trailing this system. It's going to favor the areas further to the north here. But here's our low pressure consolidating offshore and taking off to the northeast here. Upper level energy trailing behind it will give us a few snow showers yet on Thursday, a few snow showers and flurries, and then that'll be out of here. So that's our clipper system. Not a big deal. I think the upside potential for this is for someone to see 3 inches out of it tops, but most areas are probably less than that, and not a big deal from that clipper system. But it is snow nonetheless. I don't want to downplay it to the point where it's ignored. We'll have to take it. We'll have some travel impacts as the temperatures will be low enough that it will stick to the roads. And then we're going to turn our attention to the weekend. Now, this gets very interesting because we get high pressure moving in Friday, and we should have a nice day on Friday. Actually, the rest of Thursday and Friday. And then if you look at the forecast for the weekend, it looks like we're going to have a nice weekend. I mean, as far as mostly sunny, partly cloud, partly sunny, whatever you want to call it. But the models are not done playing with this system here coming out from the Gulf of Mexico here. And this we have to keep a close eye on here. There's a system here crawling in the picture here from the south. Looks like it's going to make a beeline for us here in the northeast. And it comes oh so close on this model guidance here. Oh so close. And has been trending closer the last couple days. Or actually today, I should say, the last day or so. Before, the idea was to take this system and just kind of send it out this way and shear it out, not develop it. The models are starting to develop this system and bring it further to north now. So we got to keep an eye on this now because this is a favorable time frame. Look how close this thing gets. It's all the way out to Hatteras. Already some precipitation trying to nudge in here to southern Delaware. So it's getting awfully close. Any further northwest that this thing comes, we'd be talking about a major snowstorm. But we're still waiting for trends here. You can see what it does here. It comes from comes out here as a very strong 976 millibar storm. If this were to come up here, just even to right here, we'd be in for a big snowstorm here for at least this portion of our coverage area here. So we'll have to keep a close tabs on this and see how this plays out, because I have a feeling the models are not done trending northwest with this, and that has been the trend. Instead of sending this thing aimlessly out to sea, the trend has been to pull this thing to the northwest now. So it's been going northwest about 150 miles for the last couple runs here, and it's getting dangerously close here. So we're going to keep a close eye on it. This would be for Saturday night time frame if it were to hit. And you can see that then the models just really blow it up and take it off briskly to the northeast. And then as we get into later Sunday and Monday, if that storm does not hit, you still have another system that's going to be right on its heels here. It might bring some more light snow as we get into late in the weekend into Monday of next week. But that's getting a little bit ahead of ourselves. We definitely want to concentrate on this storm here and see what this thing does, because this has potential to do a lot of damage if it comes a little bit further north here. It doesn't have to move that much further. I'm only talking about a couple hundred miles. And we could be in for a real doozy of a storm here. For snow lovers, you can start crossing your fingers and praying now. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is your outlook for January 20th, 2015. Have a great Tuesday.